international carrier to achieve greater heights and make nations proud.
We believe that we can deliver this new aircraft and a whole new customer experience that we have built around it. See in this lounge, it is in fact part of our A380 program. It is expanded. As you notice, is that hopefully it's a lot more comfortable.
We have our world best cabin crew to actually operate and manage our lounge.
Who wants to be part of Malaysian aviation history? Give me a scream!
It's very exciting. I've seen one of the Airbuses before and they are absolutely huge compared to the other ones, so it's like a whole new generation of flight.
It was just a shock. We didn't realise they had the 380, so congratulations to Malaysia Airlines. Fantastic.
It's awesome. I'm proud of MAS acquiring a very modern, comfortable aircraft system. That's really good.
Now, given by the sales response, I think we are confident of filling up this aircraft. Now, tonight's flight, by the way, is full.
Let me congratulate MAS for this very important and successful event.
Feeling excited to fly a new MAS 380. Very proud to be one of the first one to fly it. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, morning girls.
I'm one of the passengers, part of history today. Everything will be very lucky because we've been upgraded by MAS. Thank you, Malaysia Airlines, because actually we're